What's this, chef?
This is a baked focaccia topped with olives, onions, rosemary, salt, and the best, Hungarian sausage.
From Virginia.
So what's the hot dog?
Virginia!
Here you go. Just onions, not too much. So we don't want to cook the onions ahead. Okay, if we cook them ahead, it's gonna overcook in the oven. So you can put raw onions ahead. So the onions is really gonna sink in the flavor into the sha. Okay, so next we're gonna get some rosemary.
Nasaan sila pepperoni, bitch? Over there, ano yung
What's this?
Calzone balls.
Huh?
Calzone balls.
May calzones.
Just a pinch, not too much.
We can taste.
May bayad. Labos na natin.
Oh, thank you.
Pepperoni.
Kumain na to, Nay.
We have bacon of Virginia.
Oh my gosh. Ayan na to. Ayan na. Thank you. Sige tayo, asap pa more.
Anyways.
Oh my God.
So now this is ready to bake. What else?
Ikaw, yours. Okay, cup.
So now this is ready to bake. So this is the next
Uy, masarap siya.
and our best sound of oven. This is the best oven for you. Drink. If your train's going to bake, it's fine. You don't feel good enough.
Wow, another set. This is a different lineup today. What's this, chef?
This is ham and cheese calzone.
Calzo?
Yeah.
Ham and cheese calzo. Delicioso.
Delicioso. Masarap. No, sir, go get it. Go get it, sir. Hala, only one left. Money ang makakulang ka.
Filipino style.
Filipino style.
We leave one. Filipino style.
Okay.
Ah.
Very good, diba? Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for trying. We should also bring home some Virginia products.